Hello guys, today we are going to print hollow diagonal star square pattern. Okay, so what we do in this pattern, as always I say carefully observe this pattern. In this pattern I have previously explained you the previous patterns, which is square pattern and a diagonal pattern, cross pattern, which I have taught you in my previous video. So what is this? First of all, we want to only print, just forgot that diagonals, just I want to print that square. Okay, after that we are making cross. Okay, first of all, just I am taking n equals to 10. I am taking a input of from the user is now 10. Okay, after that I am printing first of all outer loop, int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, then I plus plus. Okay, after that I am printing columns for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, after that j plus plus. Okay, after that what we can do, we are now doing what now, it is same as all patterns. After that now we are making our logic for printing this pattern. So in previous pattern for hollow square pattern, I am saying that if I equals to 1 is I equals to 1 means the row is started from 1, then print whole star. If I equals to n, the digit of I is for last, means the value of I is will be n, then only print that pattern. Okay, after that we are printing, then after that column, if j equals to 1, if the value of row will become 1, so print whole stars. After that if j equals to n, if the value of n, j should be last or n, then you print whole stars. Now for diagonals what we do, if for diagonals we are printing that if I equals to j. Okay, if our I equals to j, if I is 1 then j is 1, if row is 1 then column is 1, if row is 2 then column is 2, if row is 3 then column is 3. So I equals to j. After that one more condition for left diagonal, this diagonal we have prepared a condition in tomorrow that if j equals to how much, j will become n minus I plus 1. Okay, if j will become this, so then we want to print what we want to print, system dot out dot print, we are printing stars. Okay, for that we are printing stars. If it is else, we want to print spaces. We are printing spaces. Okay, after that for we are move from out of this loop, then we are printing some line spaces. It is using for line spaces. After that we close the loop. So here's the code for printing hollow diagonal star square pattern. Okay, so it is the code for this. It is very simple code and very easily understood code. If you have this video makes sense for you, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more interesting video, because if you are subscribing and liking me, so it will give me a motivation to make more videos on that topics. Okay, so thank you.